oxygen. So those are some of the properties of what matter actually is. All right, now let's talk a little bit about atoms. Pretty much how matter and atoms go together for our lesson of how to recognize what all matter consists of using atoms. So if you can see in this picture, these are pretty much your atoms. Indeed, in a minute, we're going to get to what it actually is called. All right, what is an atom? An atom are often referred to as the building blocks of matter. So pretty much that's the foundation. So the bubbles in that soda, those are the building blocks. Those are pretty much the atoms, which we call elements. Those are the elements that consist of matter, how it's made, the foundation, how it actually starts. Each element on the periodic table, what we just mentioned earlier with the helium and all those different things that makes up a periodic table, is composed of one type of atom and cannot be broken down into a simpler substance. All right, some types of atoms. There are a lot of types of atoms, and those atoms are called elements, what we just talked about and we just mentioned earlier. Some examples: you got helium. They contain atoms with 2 protons and 2 neutrons, pretty much what you just saw in this picture right here at the beginning of what atoms actually were. All right, how does matter? Now let's talk about pretty much the overview of our lesson and the objective of the day. How does matter consist of atoms? As you see, we have a picture with different types of ways that can happen. All right. Most of atoms is empty space. The rest consists of positively charged nucleus and protons and neutrons surrounded by a cloud of negatively charged electrons. So those are the ways that atoms, those are the ways that matter consists of atoms. All right. Now we're going to watch a video on how that actually, how does matter consist of atoms. You have to come up with, I don't got my speakers.
I already have my atom, and where Igor left my atom smasher and this box of deadly weapons. But here's how you make an atom bomb. First, take your atom and then your atom smasher, and you smash together like this. What was that?
Today, students, you will be learning about matter and atoms and the people who discovered them. Thanks.
Matter and atoms are everywhere, please let me elaborate. Today we gon' learn about matter and atoms on how to procrastinate. Matter is anything that has mass and takes a space. Scientists back then found the stuff and we still use today. Atoms are structure an element that cannot be broken down. Democritus thought of this, wow, I hope that you're focused now. Now, on to Lavoie, and no, I like to call him Lavoie. He stated that matter is not created or destroyed. Now on to JJ, he don't play, he go by JJ Thompson. Invisible negative charge particles that he called electrons. Now he made a model of electrons that look like cookie dough. Negative charge electrons, I hope you paying attention, yo. Now on to 1-4, he made a discovery that still influences us, called the positive charge, central part of the atom, the nucleus.
All right, fun video, right? Pretty much of how matter consists of atoms. Now let's get into our exit ticket to end our lesson. All right, I want you to tell me what are the 3 states of matter that we talked about in class today. I want you to take a sheet of paper and I want you to write down the 3 states of matter of what the 3 states of matter, and tell me what do all 3 actually consist of. All right, that's the end of my lesson on how matter consists of atoms. Thank you and have a good night.